How's it going? I'm a student here at WWA. My name is Forest Zimmer, and I'm currently on the 6-month program, the Welder 5 course, and I'm working on stainless. Follow me around for a couple days and I'll show you what it's like to be a student here at WWA.
What are you working on right now?
Stainless 5G. I'm doing my last fill pass. I'm going to run a 1/8 stainless rod, filler rod over it. I just finished this one side out. I'm going to hit this other side real quick, and then we're going to get to capping. Feeling pretty good so far. I'm on 5G for stainless right now. I'm trying to get on to 6G. So after I bust this out, we'll bring it on up to the table and see if Nate or Danny can look at it and see if I can get moved on. Try to get on to 2-inch soon. The bead itself went good. I didn't really like how I popped off at the very end on the top of my cap, but sometimes it is what it is, and it's all a learning process here at school, so we're all learning. I'm gonna bring her up and see how I did. Been on 5G for 2 days.
2 days?
2 days, yeah. Today's Wednesday, the 19th. Yeah, 2 days. So, I'm making progress. Usually it takes me about a day or two to get on to the next step usually. So, some things, TIG's been a little bit faster. I'm not the best stick welder compared to TIG, but definitely like TIG a lot more.
On the cap, I'm gonna give you an 8 out of 10. It looks pretty good.
Hey, you're the master.
One more.
Fine.
So how do you feel you have to do one more?
Sometimes it sucks and I hate to hear it, but it's all for a good reason, and this next one will be even better. Because you gotta make every weld better than your last. Always wear double eye protection, and let's go clean these bad boys up and get them ready. Now that we got everything prepped up, I'm gonna go to lunch for 30 minutes and then come back, and we're gonna fit it all up and probably do some back feeding with the instructor Nate, so it'll be fun. We'll do some back feeding. Some back feeding with the old TIG hand himself.
Pondermatic.
The Pondermatic, baby.
I want the tack to be going all the way down to the point of that bevel.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah. You want to hit that sucker till she turns to blue, and it's running right up the bevel. You get a nice straight point.
Oh, so it's like almost about to blow through down here.
Yep.
Or like just as, okay.
Yep. If you leave a little bit of hump there, that's going to be really hard to tie into.
Gotcha.
I get this through transition right into that bevel into your tack.
Do you leave a hump in the middle, like do you ramp it, like how we would on like low high and
just like this guy, it's nice. I kind of been explaining it like you want it to look like a chainsaw too.
Gotcha.
First back fed rip, my bottom quarter, pretty decent so far, but nothing like Nate's. Let's get it, y'all. How's it going, WWA?
It's day 2. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. Just running a fill pass on my 5G right now. Hopefully we'll get moved on to 6G today. Did some back feeding yesterday, right before we went home with Nate. His side went really good. My side a little choppy for my first back fed, but so far so good. Can't really complain. strive to become better than we are, everything around you becomes better as well. What you put out there is what you get back into this life, and you only got one, so make all your years count, and every ounce of hard work and everything you do it your best, and give it your all, you know, because you only got one shot. So that's my hidden tip of the day for this video. Got a little hot. Had to stop a couple more times than I wanted to, but do what you gotta do to get the job done sometimes. Let's go see what these boys think. Break these tacks off this purge stand, turn off the argon, and let's go see if we get moved on to some 4-inch TIG.
How you feeling?
Pretty good. It's looking pretty good.
Is it your cap all the way around, or is it Nate's?
No, it's mine.
Nice. I like it. The bottom is nice though, dude. But I think you're ready for 60.
Cool. Thank you, sir. Sweet. Well, I'll grab my book. Signed off.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thank you, sir. A success story.
Okay.
Not too shabby. Pretty pleased with it. Gonna try to backfeed this 6G, see if it goes any better. But still learning every day. That's all that you can do, you know? Gotta learn something new every day. My name's Forrest Zimmer, and I go to WWA. I'm proud to go to Western Welding Academy. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, share, and we will see you guys on the next weld.